Welcome to the self care motive. Retinol, the glow, the burn, and the drama. So, let's talk about retinol. The ingredient that skincare influencers worship like it's some magical elixir, and beginners feel like it's a final boss in a video game. Retinol is basically a form of vitamin A. Yes, the same vitamin your mom told you to eat through carrots. बेटा गाजर खा लो आँखों के लिए अच्छा है. Turns out your skin also said, hello, I exist too. What actually is retinol? Retinol is a skincare ingredient that speeds up your skin cell turnover. In simple words, it tells your lazy skin cells get up, move, replace yourself, be productive. It helps with acne, fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, texture. So basically, it promises glass skin, baby skin, no issues skin. Emotionally, still unstable. But what people actually say? Oh, the reviews are dramatic. Some people say retinol changed my life, my skin has never looked better. Others say my skin is peeling like I'm shedding my past traumas. There are two types of people, glow up gang, and the second one is why is my face burning? And sometimes you become both same week. Why does it suits some and not others? Because retinol is powerful. Not everyone's skin is ready for that level of commitment. Sensitive skin, it might cry. Dry skin, it might file a complaint. Oily acne prone skin, it might fall in love. It's like that one strict teacher. Some students improve, others just get trauma. Where does retinol come from? Originally, natural sources. Vitamin A comes from animal products like liver, eggs, dairy, and plant sources are like carrots, spinach, and all. But the retinol in your skincare mostly synthetic, lab made, controlled, and stabilized. Because applying carrot juice on a face won't give you result. It's just a sticky personality. Now, types of retinol, also known as confusing family tree. Retinol, beginner friendly kinda. Retinol, stronger cousin. Retinoic acid, it's a prescription level boss. Retinyl esters, it's a soft, gentle baby version. It's like levels in game, easy and medium. And why did I started this? The drama and the controversies around retinol. Oh, this is where it gets interesting. Some says retinol thins your skin, retinol damages your skin barrier, you will be dependent on it forever. And others says it's scientifically proven, dermatologists swear by it. Then comes the clean beauty community. Retinol is too harsh, go natural. Meanwhile, dermats say natural doesn't always mean effective. And influencers posting hashtag retinol glow with 10 filters and a ring light. Now we will talk about celebrities and retinol. Every celebrity claims, oh, I just use retinol and drink water. I'm sure your 500 cream is giving the same results as their 50,000 facials. Now the actual question, is retinol necessary? No, it's not oxygen. You won't die without it. But is it effective? Yes, if used correctly. Is it overhyped? Also, yes. Welcome to skincare, where everything is both miracle and a scam at the same time. The first retinol cream and discovery. Retinoids were first studied for acne treatment in the 20th century. Scientists were like, hey, this helps acne. Then suddenly someone noticed, wait, wrinkles are reducing too. And just like that, retinol entered skincare like a multitasking overachiever, from medical treatment and cosmetic obsession. Now, how did it enter skincare routines? At first, it was prescription only. Then brands said, why should doctors have all the fun? So now you have serums, creams, night treatments, eye creams. Retinol is everywhere, even where it doesn't need to be. Can it help hair? Technically, retinol can support scalp health and cell turnover, but using it directly on hair growth, not very common, not very proven, and honestly, a bit risky. Your scalp might say, ma'am, I didn't sign up for this experiment. Final thoughts, or maybe not. Retinol is powerful, retinol is scary, retinol is effective, retinol is overhyped. It can give you glow or it can give you a skincare crisis. So the real question is, are you ready for it or are you just influenced by someone with perfect lighting? सबको ग्लो चाहिए पर कोई पेशेंस नहीं रखता एंड ऑनेस्टली मे बी दैट्स द रियल स्किन केयर इश्यू सो रेटिनॉल इज अ मिराकल और marketing. I let you decide.